please close your eyes for this super speedy butterfly. I'm going to use a bright fusion rainbow cake on top of each eye. And this nice little splash sponge, the petal, gives a perfect wing shape. Then, oops, sorry, I'm going to just use some fusion white to outline the butterfly's edge. 1, 2, and then we'll do some teardrops. 3, 4, 5, 6, and swing it around the edge. And then do it again on the other side, and she'll be all done. These are perfect for super speedy face painting for big events or birthday parties with lots and lots of kids. And then right here, I'll just put a little body. And some antennas. Boop. We're all done.